In this video, we'll guide you through how to generate and print reports on your ICON Professional T8 Intelligent Diagnostic Scanner. To generate a post-scan report from the Health Report screen, tap the button on the top right to see more options. Select Open to generate a report. You can label the report as either a diagnostic, pre-repair, or post-repair report. Next, fill in the relevant information and tap OK to open the report. To share or print the report, tap the button on the top right. If printing, you'll be able to select any Wi-Fi connected printers on the same network for wireless printing. You can also generate a report with recorded parameter data. From a live data stream, tap Report to generate a report that contains all recorded parameter data. You can access these reports from the Records function from the main menu. From here, you can view, share, print, or delete previously saved reports and data streams. You can find additional support information and videos on our website, or you can contact our Technical Support Center directly and we'll be happy to help.